everyone, I'm Scarlett. Do you know LiShunyuan machinery? Are you interested in packaging machine? Now I'm in the factory of Guangdong LiShunyuan Intelligent Automation Company. They mainly produce luxury box making machines. Now let Vanessa introduce for us. Hello Vanessa.
Hello.
As I know, there are many factories in China making packaging machines. So what are your advantages?
In the past 20 years, LiShunyuan has paid more attention to the research and development of new products.
Technology has far surpassed that of European and American countries, but still the quality and the stability of products. Of course, also within the service are our best advantages.
So Vanessa, could you take us to a factory and take a look at your production line?
Yes, of course. Let's go.
Vanessa, what's this big machine?
This is 3000 CQ intelligent rigid box making machines. The production speed up to 16 pieces per minute means 30 sets. The machine with double feeding and 4 cameras for the positioning. The wrapping part is digital automatic setting. Only need to set up the size on the touch screen. Then machine runs automatically, totally setting time in 30 minutes. We have been sold to Korea, Japan, Germany, and American European countries.
Vanessa, what kind of boxes is this machine able to do?
Mobile phone boxes and cosmetic boxes and jewelry boxes and hardcover and other kinds of boxes can do. It's widely used.
Vanessa, here is another machine. So what's the difference between this machine and the 3000 CQ?
A50DN actually is same like with 3000 CQ, but also with the double feeding and the positioning.
850DN is a multifunctional, also able to do rigid boxes and hardcover. It's suitable for the small quantity order and very easy to set up. This positioning machine not only can connect with the semi-box forming machine, but also can connect with the hardcover machine. In the future, if require quantity, it can save money just add automatic forming part. It can log into fully automatic machine.
So Vanessa, what's this area?
So this office are our R&D departments. We work at competitively open. We can communicate very efficiently to solve problems for clients.
Vanessa, what's this area?
This is the quality testing department. This is the quality inspection area based on the appearance and the function inspection of the equipment and the identification.
Vanessa, there are so many machines. What are these machines for?
These are the machinery departments. Most of the parts are processed by our factories. They are high precision guarantee milling machines and so on. More than 20 sacks of processing equipment.
What a big storehouse. Vanessa, how do you manage this storehouse?
Our company unified use of ERP management system.
Convenient management, warehousing, material warehousing. Our warehouse is classified strictly according to the category of the parts to prevent errors.
This is assembly area from a small accessory, assembling into a module, and then assembling into a machine. This boxes is made by our A50DN positioning machines. Our machines also can make other types of hardcover boxes, like this kind of. We make these boxes to appreciate our clients for their support in the past and strengthen our cooperation.
If you are interested in our products, please check our website and feel free to send emails to us. Bye-bye.